Good morning. I almost missed school again. I woke up to my alarm clock and that I was about to get up, maybe like 10 more minutes or something like that, and then I just dozed off because, again, I always have hardly gotten any sleep at all, and then I just decided to sleep a little longer, and I end up sleeping longer than ever, and luckily I woke up and it was 7:36. I had only 15 minutes to do nothing else but just take a shower. But then later on, 4 minutes had passed, so I had like 10 minutes to do anything. Or no, I didn't have 10 minutes to do anything at all except for just taking a shower and drying up and taking a shower. I did run mostly, but the bus, will be coming in 8 more minutes. I didn't have any time at all to eat or drink anything. My throat is all dry. Although you can't really tell, I'm not at all talking in the way that those who are dehydrated talk. At least better this than last time where I missed the bus and school altogether. Now I'm more motivated to want to go to bed a little earlier and yada yada. Almost there. I'll grab some breakfast when I get to the cafeteria. I had a pancake for breakfast. And do you know the difference between this pancake and all the other pancakes I've had? This one was soft and it was fresh, so I was able to cut it more easily. Didn't have to skin it like last time. Good pancake. So good. Yeah, it's the best pancake I've had out of all others. Oh my God. What just happened, I did not plan this like ahead of time. It just, So what happened is that I felt like just taking the bus and going over to West Valley College just to walk around, maybe even surprise Sanika. If you guys don't remember Sanika, she's the one who gave me a new makeover, and she was bowling, not bullying, and she was at that party, where that elephant got loose from a circus and crashed the party, crashed into the house, like literally, like right into Ariel's house. I'm just kidding. It was when we were playing a game called White Elephant. If you guys don't remember, it's the 222nd vlog. Well, I felt like just checking out West Valley, maybe paying a little surprise visit. But right when I got off the bus, guess who was catching the next 53 bus, like out of West Valley? Give up. Sanika. Literally, Sanika was right there. This was all unplanned. It was just something that came to be spontaneous. So I tapped on her shoulder, and I think, and then we greeted each other because we practically are like brother and sister. Yeah. So then, a little later on, when I showed her the camera, we decided to vlog on the bus, and she also held the camera. Well, and here's the footage from 20 minutes earlier. Yeah, something like that. Oh, here it is. Hope you enjoy it. Hi.
It's me, Sanika again from the mall. I dyed my hair. It changed. It's amazing. I hope it's amazing. I'm not sure. I feel like this hair color is better than the last hair color that I had. But anyways, so this is Jake. As you can see, you've seen him like about 50 billion gazillion million times, pretty much. And
yeah, gazillion. I think that's a real number.
Yeah.
And
I think that is a real number, right? Yeah.
Cool.
Is it? I know. So hi.
Zoom in.
We just got out of college and we're taking the bus home. What are you doing? Jake!
Okay, I guess the zoom in thingy is not so good. Alright, so...
There, I'll zoom in myself.
Yeah. Alright, as you were saying?
Alright, so I just got out of college. My voice really hurts, but I'm talking for the camera's sake.
Yeah.
What up?
We're both being weird.
Yeah. Here, let's do funny faces. Let's do weird faces.
Sure.
Okay, ready? Wait, do you want to start or should I start or should Okay.
Yeah, you start.
Can I hold it?
Sure.
Hi, do you mind if I introduce myself?
Sure,
or
go ahead.
like share more about me? I mean myself in
Yeah.
proper grammar.
Sure thing.
Okay. Hi, I'm Sanika. Sanika Turker, but you could just call me Sanika. I am a full-time student at West Valley College. I am a music major in vocal performance and music education. And Jake here is like my brother. He's like awesome, even though he looks like a hobbit.
Or a dwarf.
Or a dwarf. And
yeah, since dwarves are bald.
oh yeah. Hey, hobbits can be bald.
Oh.
Actually, no, they're too hairy. They have too much hair. I mean, I love hobbits. Oh,
Yeah,
and we're just chilling on the bus because we're awesome. Yeah. Oh my gosh, my eyes look scary like that.
Oh yeah. Careful with that. I don't want to drop that.
Oh, I won't. Oh, let me hold it like this. There we go. Okay, so we're just strolling and trolling around on the bus. Here are the trees and the pretty flowers, and I mean the dead flowers.
Yeah, well, I think it's a good thing I don't. Do you guys think I kind of look like with this? Do I kind of look like a troll? You know, just like in The Hobbit. Yeah. Since you mentioned trolling.
No, you look like a sexy Legolas. Seriously,
Oh.
you look amazing, Jake.
Oh really?
I'm kidding.
You got me.
Hey, guess what? I'm really ticklish. I'm really ticklish.
Yeah.
Really ticklish. Really ticklish. See?
Well,
It's true. So Ariel's not with us right now. I don't actually know where she is, but I don't know. We're just hanging out. I'm kind of bored. I'm glad Jake's here. He actually surprise visited me. I had no clue he was going to be at West Valley, and I was just waiting on the bus stop, right? And then I was there, and I was trying to pay my bus fee, and then I turned around, and there he was, standing. Behold. Ah.
Well, not exactly like that.
I got so surprised. I was scared. I was freaked out. I was surprised. I was happy. I was amazed all at the same time. It was just amazing. Yeah.
Yeah, and
I'm so glad to see him. I haven't seen him in like 2 months.
Oh yeah.
Okay, I'm pretty sure they don't want to hear about my personal boring life.
Yeah, of course, she was in the Christmas party thing with the elephant one. You remember that, you guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, the white elephant game.
I can't believe Ariel stole my gift. Stupid white elephant. I mean, I love white elephant, but I wanted that book. That's a really nice book. So I just turned 19 last Tuesday.
Yeah, congrats.
Yay!
Yay.
Yay! And what else? Sorry, I'm kind of sick. Just my voice always hurts because I have choir every day, and it's a lot of singing. I absolutely love it. It's amazing, but my voice really hurts. Wait, didn't I mention this before?
I don't remember. Possibly, but I guess if any of you didn't hear
I don't
say
think I
it,
should
that's
burp. Should I? Probably not. No.
Go right ahead. Everyone
No,
burps.
no, that's gross. They're probably gonna post this on Facebook, and everyone will see me burp, and then I'll lose like 50 million friends.
We're all human. We all burp. And besides, I bet that she can't burp a good burp better than me.
Oh hell no! You just went there, didn't you? Oh
Challenge is
hell
on.
no, bitch! Okay, let's do this shit. Okay. Wait, hold on. Let me do a better one. Excuse me. There you go. Okay, now you do one.
I actually can't really do one like unless I have soda with me. Sorry guys.
Excuse me. Ha ha. I'm a better burper than you. I'm a better burper.
Yeah. She's able to like do it on the spot even without
tons
soda.
and tons of practice with my little brother.
Oh, how cute.
Yeah. He's like 7.
Well, her real, like, young brother, not me. I'm 21.
Yeah. You're 21 now?
Yep.
Really?
Yep.
Wait, you're born in 92?
Yep.
That's awesome. I never knew that. It's amazing.
Yeah, well,
oh, cool. Yeah, you're, wow. I thought you were 20.
Well, I was. But,
yeah.
But yeah, it was last year that I turned 21.
Nice. That's awesome.
And I'm legal. I can drink.
Yeah.
2 more years for you.
Did I spit on you?
Yeah, a few little drops, but whatever.
Ew. Sorry.
We all spit on each other.
Sorry. Yeah, you spit on me all the time. No, I'm just kidding.
Well, not spit as in no, that sort of thing.
I love making vlogs. They're the bestest.
Yeah,
that is not a word. Don't you dare teach that word to your children. Bestest is not a word. Okay?
It kind of could be. I mean, like
it'd be pretty cool. Yeah, actually, that'd be a pretty cool word to describe instead of best.
Yeah,
it's like bestest to rule out the best.
And maybe you should make. Do you guys think that she should make a vlog channel like Sanika's Bestest Pops? Yeah.
Bestest Pop.
Oh, stop.
Oh, really?
It's not that one. It's like a couple more.
No.
It's like after Cox Avenue, and yes, there really is an avenue called Cox Avenue. It's not spelled as that sort of cock, if you know what I mean.
Do you really have to make everything sexual, Jake?
Yes. Not like
God,
there is.
Pervert. I'm just kidding.
Well, spelled as like C-O-X, like Brian Cox. I don't mean.
Or like Courtney Cox from Friends. Yeah.
And Scream 1 through 4.
Yes. And Cougar Town. Although I don't watch that show, I'm kind of scared too. I don't know if it's actually about cougars, like the animals, or no, I'm kidding. It's not.
Yeah.
Of course not.
Yeah, or even those kinds of cougars. Like, well, you kids will want to hear what cougars I mean.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just tell them it's the animals. It's just the animals.
Yeah, monsters, animals.
Jay.
Sorry, I have to. Well, I don't exactly have to and all that, but I don't want to have to get home real late, and I don't want to like stay up real late while editing something and all that, because that's what I've been doing. I need to get a good night's sleep.
Right.
I'm more motivated. I almost missed class this morning.
Oh really?
Yeah, it's like last time I did.
I woke up really late.
Yeah, it's like one time I did miss class like all the way, and it was terrible. It was on a Monday. It was like last week. Yeah, last week. And,
Is this your stop?
Yeah, unfortunately.
Okay, bye!
Alright, bye!
Nice vlogging! Okay.
Yeah, good job.
Thanks.
Alright, peace.
Oh.
So my surprise visit, it kind of worked out for the most part, even with some changes or unexpected turns and all that. It worked out. Cody, wanna go outside? Do you wanna go outside, Cody? I don't know if Cody wants to go outside. I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. Like, if you did, subscribe to my channel if you're watching my other vlogs. Check out my Good for Mr. Kevin on my gaming channel and vlogging channel. The links are down below in the description. Take care, stay tuned for more vlogs. I will see you guys later.